Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is artist Rabia. Guys, today we will learn that how can we make the layer mask. How to work on the layer mask. You can see here I have this picture and this picture. I have downloaded this from unsplash.com or Yandex. So I'm just dragging this picture into this picture, and I will show you how you can use the layer mask. I have selected this picture and I'm just adding the layer mask here. You can see. Now I'm taking the brush. With the help of brush, I will just paint over here with the help of my black color. So I'm toggling between these colors with the help of X button on my PC. If I paint here, you can see it is erasing, but this is non-destructive. I'm increasing my opacity. You can work with the help of this very easily, and you can give your pictures very cool effect. I'm decreasing my opacity so I can see the download. I'm decreasing my opacity so I can see the download.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Guys, you can see I have erased it with the help of my paint brush. I'm increasing its opacity. Now you can see some of the part is left, and I'm working on that too. Guys, if you want to bring any of your area back, simply toggle between these two colors by pressing X on your PC, and if I paint here, you can see it is coming back. That's why I say that it is non-destructive and you can take it back any of the time. Okay, now I am just taking the hue saturation adjustment layer, and I want to give my picture a hue. I want to change the color little bit. It is okay for me. I'm increasing the saturation. This. Now on the above layer, I'm doing the same. I'm taking the hue saturation adjustment layer and giving the hue here as I want. Let me see which suits my picture best. I think this is okay for me. Guys, like this you can give your layer mask and you can work on them very easily. I hope you like this short tutorial. We'll come back with another video tomorrow, inshallah. This is artist Rabia signing off. Okay, Allah Hafiz.